my business from my competitor's business. That is all of those things, prototypes, we need to follow them. We need to analyze them. That is very important in the growth of your business. That is very important. And the second phases or first initial startup phases of the idea that you have. You want to test it. You want to know. So that means that you are now going to be applying a little bit more of your research skill, correct? A lot of times, startup, and we are going to see this when we talk about sponsorship and funding. A lot of times, startup people, what they can do is that they can ask for funding for this phase of their business, correct? Please excuse the dogs. Please excuse the dogs. So when you ask for funding in that initial startup, you can now recruit a team that is going to do that particular research for you. Are we here? Because it's a lot. If you are operating, you need to understand who's doing that. And if you are a solo entrepreneur, it may be heavy for you to figure out who's doing this, who's doing that, how much they're charging, what type of product do they have, how is it going to be for them. So what you can do to cut that is now in the early stage of your business, you can start to begin to ask for the correct funding. And then with the funding, you can hire a team that is going to be providing you with all this particular information. Are we here? Okay, great.